Hello everyone. It's time to reflect on the year behind us at Jakamo. In 2025, we continued to grow in disciplined way, focusing on customer value, product development and long-term sustainability of our business. Our product development was the major highlight of 2025. We delivered significant improvements across the Jakamo platform, including all new RFQ feature with AI capabilities, renewed advanced shipping notice feature, tools to collect Scope 3 sustainability data, and new integration options. Together, these improvements strengthen our platform, delivering full visibility, automation, and performance improvements to our customers across their supply chains. On the commercial side, 2025 was a very active year. Even though the market was still challenging, our committed annual recurring revenue reached over 2 million euros, representing close to 30% growth. This growth is an important signal of both customer trust and strong product. During the year, we more than doubled the number of first meetings and issued 80% more proposals than in previous year. Today, our pipeline is healthier than ever. The won deals grew also by 80%, resulting many leading manufacturers joining the Jakamo ecosystem. One of the most meaningful indicators of our progress is the growth of Jakamo ecosystem. The number of relationships on the Jakamo platform increased to over 9,000 relationships, nearly 40% increase compared to the previous year. This highlights the expanding role Jakamo plays in connecting manufacturing enterprises. Thank you to our customers, partners, and all Jakamoers for your commitment and dedication throughout 2025. As we look ahead, our direction remains clear. We will continue to grow Jakamo in ways that create positive impact for our customers, strengthening their collaboration with suppliers and driving better performing, more sustainable supply chains across the manufacturing industry.